Достар, бүгін біз Хай Уиком қаласына келіп отырмыз. Бүгін жергілікті Wycombe Wanderers клубы жайлы влог түсіреміз. Парк стадионына баратын боламыз. To Адамс Парк. Yeah? You accept card?
Yes.
Okay, great.
I accept cards, diamonds, gold.
Everything.
Are you wearing size 7 shoes? No. I'll take shoes as well.
Көрермендер, біз қазір Wycombe Wanderers стадионы Адамс Паркта жүрміз. Wycombe'тың аңыз ойыншылары стадионға тур жасап жатыр. Міне бүйтіп мына жерге қарайтын болсаңыз, стадионның жалпы алаңның сапасы өте жоғары. Айтулары бойынша бұл алаң осы футбол лигасындағы ең үздік алаңдардың бірі деп саналады.
So I work for the club in the media department, so I do matchday commentaries, and we also front up Wanderers TV, which is our club TV channel, and we make all the information videos and social media stuff for the club.
How many fans do you have?
So on an average league game here, you're going to get between 5,500 and 6,000 fans coming to games. Then we have our worldwide fans as well watching online. So we in League One, so we're 2 divisions below the Premier League. We play a full range of teams. So this season we'll have Birmingham City, who are a big club. We've had teams like Derby County here and down the years, and then it's a very competitive league. But we were once in the Championship, yes, and we're hoping to get back.
I think you were with Adebayo Akinfenwa, right?
Yeah, Adebayo Akinfenwa is our most famous player in the Football League era. He's our club record goal scorer in the Football League era. Was a big personality and a big guy.
Жалпы Wycombe командасының тарихына келетін болсақ, клубты 1887 жылы ұсташылар, яғни ағаштан неше түрлі бұйымдар жасайтын ұсташылар ашқан болатын. Адамс Паркке Wycombe командасы 1990 жылы көшкен болатын. Стадионның салу құны 3 миллион фунттай тұрды. 10 мыңдай жанкүйер сияды. Яғни VIP ложасы, өзінің пресса отыратын орындары барлығы бар. Қазіргі уақытта команда Ағылшын футболының 3-ші дивизионда, яғни EFL League One'да ойын көрсетеді. Клубты жақын арада Михаил Ломтадзе сатып алған болатын, яғни біздің Қазақстандық кәсіпкер, және де осы шақтағы жұмысшылармен, жанкүйерлермен сөйлескен бойынша барлығы биылғы маусымнан өте жоғары нәтижелер күтуде. Енді оны көре жатармыз. As a big fan of Wycombe, what do you dream of?
What do I dream of?
Yeah. About the club.
Well, we're a small Buckinghamshire. Keith might have said to you before, we're a small Buckinghamshire club. We're in Division 1, which is the 3rd tier of English football. At the end of the day, we were in the Championship once. We didn't have a good run. I would like us to get back into that. I think, in full honesty, at this minute, I know we've got the new person coming in who's got these aspirations, and money talks, as you say. It would be lovely to get into the Premiership, but if we could get to the Championship, find our level, keep ourselves there, then I think that would probably be our goal.
Okay.
And I would think that's
for next 5-10 years.
Yeah. We'd like to be out there. I might say it was the American owners who have just sold out. It was their aim to get us into the Championship. We did that within 2-3 years, but it didn't quite work out with all the COVID and the restrictions on the points and everything else that sent us the other way. But no, we're a good family club. As we said, Keith and I have been involved in this since 1963. So, we'll explain to you about the golf that we do and everything else in a little while. So there's lots of us.
He already told me about the golf.
Already golf, yeah. So,
Six players.
Yeah, it's we are what we are, and we try and do what we do. And
No, really nice.
you know, this club gave us so much in the 60s. I was fortunate to play here for 9 years, and
But,
you know, I'm giving something back.
Was that your full-time job?
No. We worked as well.
Obviously.
Yeah, we weren't fully pros in those days. Obviously, we had worked as well. So we've only been sort of fully pros since I think 1991.
Exactly.
Like that.
When you promote to EFL,
Yeah, that's it.
EFL
That's right.
before.
Yeah, before that we
It's
were
like
amateur or
semi-pro.
semi-professional. That's right. Yeah. But no, we had to work all the time, and we had 2 jobs, which is why we can't understand when all these players say, "Oh, I'm playing too much football. I'm tired." We used to have to go and have a day's work, then come and train, or then come and go and travel and play a match, and then come back and go to work the next day. So it's different. But it's a different game today.
Yes.
$247 games, 115 goals.
That's a great record.
Well, I don't know, you know. Yeah, it was good in those days. Achievements, well, I played for Berks and Bucks. I captained the club for 2 years.
It was before Адамс Парк.
Yeah,
obviously.
a long time before, yeah. In 1990 they came here, wasn't
Yeah.
it?
And the previous ground was in Lock's Park. Lock's
Yeah,
Park.
yeah, had a slope, big slope, from
Okay.
one side to the other, not one end to the other, across it. 14-foot drop from one side to the... I think one of the main things was, what the FA are trying to do now is stop replays in the FA Cup. When we played, in I think it was 66, 67, we played Bedford Town in the FA Cup. And we had 3 replays. And we played 4 games.
And 3 times you drew.
Yeah,
You
3
draw.
times we drew, and then we lost the last one 3-2. Yeah,
So it's just like one stage of a cup. You had 4 games.
that's right. Yeah, in one round. But when now they're trying to get rid of all that, you know, which is to me, you know, for the lower clubs, that's where you make a bit of money, you know.
Yeah,
that
yeah.
keeps the lower clubs going.
Адамс Паркты аралап жүрміз. Уиком жанкүйерлерінің жаңа иелерінен, яғни Михаил Ломтадзеден күтетіні ол футбол академиясының жаңартуы, және де командаға ақша құйып, бұйырса чемпионшипқа шығару. Уикомның академиясы болған, бірақ қазіргі уақытта жабылып қалған. Олардың өздерінің академиясы жоқ. Сол себептен де жаңа академия керек деп жатыр.
I play golf twice a week.
Okay.
And there's 6 of us who all used to play together in the 1960s
Okay.
who still play.
And you play golf?
Yeah,
together?
one of them is 87. I'm 82.
Okay.
Martin Priestley is 80. Vince is 76. Les Merrick is 76, I think, or 77. And Keith Searle is 76.
Well, Адамс Park is a great ground to come and visit. You know, as you can see, we're a really family-friendly club. We're a community club, but we love to embrace our overseas fans. And it's wonderful news that we've got a load of new fans now in Kazakhstan and Georgia. So we'd love to welcome you to Адамс Park. And if you want to watch from afar, Wanderers TV, you can watch every single game online. You'll hear my voice doing the commentary. You'll get to hear the interviews with the managers and the players. So even though you're in another country a long way away, you can really be part of the action as well and become a big fan and big part of the club. And like I say, if you do get a chance to visit, you'll see what a warm and friendly club this is.
Yeah, sure, definitely. Бүгінгі турымыз аяқталды. Міне Wycombe Wanderers командасының жұмысшылары өте қарапайым, өте ашық адамдар екен. Медиа командасымен танысып, контакттарымызды алмастық. Және маған сый ретінде осы Wycombe командасының формасын берді.